Assalamu alaikum viewers and my dear lovely kids. I'm your Kashmiri educator and today I have come up with the topic of Salah. Salah yatis kashir per namaz the shivanan. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded us to teach our children to pray when they are 7 years old. So here I am with my 7-year-old student.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yusra. I am 7 years old. Fajr in the morning, Zuhr in the midday, Asr in the afternoon, Maghrib after sunset, Isha at night time. That's our 5 daily prayers.
Dear kids, do you know what will Allah give us if we perform Salah 5 times a day? It's Jannah. In Jannah, you can have anything and everything. Like a river of chocolate and a castle of rubies. Isn't that exciting? Let's practice praying right from today. See you in the next video. Until next time, Fi Amanillah.